Yeah, Luganda XLz, week 26 of the XLz.
Port Bell Drive.
Nez, I see you. This one is going out to my #1 fan, Romeo King. Romeo, I see you. Yeah. I'm in the zone, we on 26. I am still going, young Ellen is Genesis, with a higher bill showing me and you the fuck. Nothing is mutual, siguraka ja, only twali yo on the wall. Anyaku china, my demeanor and my character is do it for generations. Nemo kusika kuterika, and it's for greater rappers like the residual. No offense, wo chateka, ebyo bizibu yo. Abamvuga nyamba kabyanga butungulu. It's a one-man vacancy. Nah, there ain't no room for two. This is what you assume to do, and it's easy like don't to do. Chimani choriko, the feeling is horrible, but it's only once upon a time you make the story flow. Though Luganda is beyond regular. No, for real, like for real, beyond regular. But down they got the way situla, and I don't know how, but it's why you got him on your cellular. Like for real, like it's why you got him on your cellular. Yeah. You know it. You don't got an XY. I told y'all this one is dedicated to my #1 fan, Romeo King. Salute, big bro. You know what it is. Week 26. Nez on the boards.